biggest pop star just released an album today. And the first track is a great track for beginners on piano. The first chord that you're going to play is called a G minor chord in second inversion. Sounds like that. But how do you find this chord? Well, first you need to look at the piano's pattern. The piano has a repeating pattern of 2 black keys, a little bit of space, and 3 black keys. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, and so on and so on. So you want to find that pattern that's right in the center of the piano. 2 black keys, a little space, and then 3. You're going to be working in this space right here. You look at the 3 black keys and you pick the one all the way on the right. And then you're going to put your ring finger on this white key right here. And then you're going to put your thumb on the white key that's between the 2 black keys. That's the first chord of the song. You're going to play that 3 times. All right? For the second chord is a D minor chord. Keep your thumb in the same spot on this white key between the 2 black keys, but you're going to have to move your other fingers. You're going to skip a white key, skip a white key. That's the second chord. So we have, yep. The next chord is called a F major in second inversion. Very easy to transition to this chord because all you have to do is move your thumb. Move that thumb over. Keep the other 2 fingers in the same spot. That's your third chord. Play it 3 times. Your final chord of the intro is technically a C major chord, but it's not even fully complete. It's just these 2 notes. Keep your thumb where it was, just below this set of 2 black keys, just to the left of it. And then you're going to skip a white key and play this key. All right, now this is where it gets tricky. Not this chord. This chord's easy, but you have to go da, 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 da. You're going to play 3 different white keys with these 3 fingers right here, while your thumb stays where it is. Okay? So the whole thing sounds like this. And that little piano riff repeats multiple times throughout the song. It repeats on the second half of verse 1 and the second half of verse 2, you hear it. You even hear it a little bit towards the end of the song in what you might maybe call the bridge. So it's all throughout if you listen carefully, and now you can play along with your own little piano part for the whole song, basically.